Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2015 GMC Acadia. It's right behind me. Why don't we go take a look? Starting right away up on the front end, you do have the LED running lights wrapped around the headlights. They add a very sharp look. You can definitely tell right away when you see this thing at night that it is an Acadia. It has a very unique feel. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Forterra tires. Good tread left on those tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera. And this Acadia is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more space. Power assist liftgate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Acadia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.